Welcome back, friends. Now in this video we will talk about how to copy and move files and directories using Windows command prompt. As usual, we start by opening command prompt. So press the F button on your keyboard, type cmd and hit enter. First, let's create a directory that we'll be working with. So we create a directory on desktop. So we are now within desktop. So we can create the directory here, mkdir, could be discounts. Okay. In fact, let's create two more directories on desktop. Last one. Okay. Let me just pause both so you know what we are doing. Okay, so these are the folders we created. Now let's create some files on desktop. So to create a file, use the command echo hit enter. Okay, that's the file we just created. Let's create more files. The content doesn't really matter, you understand? One more. Sorry. Okay, so we now have 3 folders on desktop and 3 files as well. Now what you are going to do is, I'm going to move these files into some of the folders, and then some of the folders itself into other folders. Even before I continue, let me draw your attention to the fact that because I have Notepad++, and that is what I use most, that is why you are seeing most of my files this way. So let me change them to Notepad. Okay, so we are now good to go. As I said earlier on, the intention is to copy some of these files into some of these folders. You understand? So most of these folders are empty. Discount folder is empty, copy folder is empty, and copy discount folder is empty as well. Now let's say we want to copy test file into copy folder. The command to use here is copy, and then the name of the file, which is test, followed by the extension, space, and then the destination. So we want to put it into copy folder. So copy, then you hit enter. As you can see, one file copied. So let's go to the copy folder and then see what's happened there. As you can see, the file has been copied here. Now, what you should know is that we did not cut. You understand? We copied. So the original item will still be here. Now, if you wish to copy to an external source, you first have to select in the drive. So let me select in my drive. Okay, so there it is. And then you use the command copy, the name of the file you want to copy. We are copying the same text. And then the destination. So in our case, it will be H. Then you hit enter. Okay, so then let's access the external drive and then see if the item you copied is there. So there it is. Of course, we could have accessed the contents of the external device without even going through the graphical user interface. We could have accessed it here. In that case, what you do is dir, and then you type the default letter for the drive, which is H, and then you hit enter. Okay, so the file we just copied, which is the test, this is it. That's the file we just copied into the external drive. Now let's learn another copy functionality. Let's go back to desktop. And now assuming you have more files in a particular folder, and then you want to move the whole file. We have 3 or 4 files in a particular folder, and you want to move the whole 3 or 4 files into a different folder. How do you go about that? First, let's create some files here. Let me just copy some of these. Place them here. Okay. So we are going to copy all these files into the discount folder. So this is how I go about it. The command for this is scopy, which is this is the source, copy, the discount, and then this is the destination. Hit enter. Okay, as you can see, 3 files copied. So let's go to discount folder here, and then there you have them. This is also pretty cool. So as you can see at the background, I cleared everything and then changed the color. And let's continue. I will advise that you learn more on your own in relation to the copy and the xcopy. And to learn more, use this command scopy / and then help, and then hit enter. And these are all the codes related to the copy and the xcopy. Now next on the list is how to move items. Now let's say, let me get back to desktop. Let's say you want to move copy into discount, or copy into copy discount, or any of these files into any of these folders. The command, you need 3 things actually. What you need is the command, which is move, and then the source, which is copy, and then the destination, which is discount. Then you hit enter. There you see. So copy has been moved into discount. Let's open discount instead. Yeah, that is it. Copy has been moved into discount. Okay. Now let's move any of these files also into copy discount. As you can see, I've once again cleared everything here. Now let me create some new files here. Another one. Okay, so I'm going to move these two new files into the discount folder. So the command, as usual, move name of the file plus its extension, then the destination folder directory in command prompt, and hit enter. Okay, so it will be moved. Then we move the other one to the same destination, which is discount, move. Okay, so let's open the discount folder. As you can see, Kenny and then new. These are the 2 files we just created and moved into the discount folder. So that is how easy it is to copy and then move items from one destination to another. And that, ladies and gentlemen, will be all for now. See you in the next video.